Hi everyone, David Maley here with Technoha, and today I'm going to show you how to solve Cassini's rings. This is a metal puzzle that's a mental brain puzzle that sometimes kids get for Christmas. And it's really popular and been popular for decades. It's kind of tough, but it's actually really simple to solve. You have two rings and two loops of string, and each of the loops is too small for you to pull through the loops or the rings. So how do you solve for this? You know, people can get frustrated over it. They can try and pull it one way, try and pull it the other way. It's not going to work that way. So if you look at this, and we see the loops in the middle here, right? If we put this down just like this, and we take those two loops in the middle, just like we are right here, and we pull them apart just like this, as hard as we can. No, I mean, not too hard, but just like that. What happens is you'll see that this loop right here is inside, and this loop is on both sides here, right? And if I have them so that this ring is right above this ring, and I take this loop, and see how I'm going this way, and I just slide it. It's not very hard. Slide it this way. See how that loop is pulling these two right here? This one loop here has two connection points right here, and it's just pulling it right here. And I slide it over like this. What I've just done is make it so that, look what happens. Boop. And it's done. That's how easy it is to solve Cassini's rings.